Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet number 55, class 10th science for the date 13th November. Today we'll discuss about the images formed by the concave mirror. In the previous worksheet we discussed the different principles on the basis of which the different images are formed. So if you see the images formed by a concave mirror, first one is the one when the object is at infinity. So generally what we say, when the object is at infinity, the rays which are coming from infinity are said to be parallel to the principal axis. And our rule says that if any rays which are parallel to the principal axis will go in the focus. So the position of image will be at the focus. The image will be highly diminished point size and it should be real and inverted. Second is when the object is beyond C. That means beyond the center of curvature. So as the object is going towards the mirror, the image will be going away from the mirror. So here the image will be between C and F. It will be diminished, smaller than the object size, and real and inverted. Third is when the object is at C. That means center of curvature. So remember, when the object is at center of curvature, the position of image will be also on the center of curvature. It will be of same size, real and inverted. Fourth is when the object is between C and F, then the image is beyond C. It's just opposite of your second case. Then when the object is at F, the image will be at infinity. You can see from here, this is just opposite of this case. This is just opposite of this case. Okay. And last one is between P and F. This is very important. When the object is between pole and focus, the image will be behind the mirror, highly enlarged and virtual and erect. So only in one case the image is formed is behind the mirror and it is virtual and erect. Now images formed by convex mirror, that was concave mirror. So in case of convex mirror, only two cases are there. If the object is at infinity, the image will be formed as focus, that is behind the mirror, virtual and erect and point size. Second, the image formation for the object between infinity and mirror, anywhere, the image will be formed behind the mirror, that means between P and F, and it will be virtual and net diminished. So these two cases are only there in case of convex and 6 cases are there in case of concave. Question number 1. Why convex mirror is used in vehicles for rear view? We prefer a convex mirror as a rear view mirror in vehicles because it gives a wider field view of which allows the driver to see most of the traffic behind him. Convex mirror always forms a virtual, erect and diminished image of the object placed in front of. See, if we take concave mirror, this is the area which is there and the image will be formed of smaller size. But if we use convex mirror, this much area will be covered and the image formed is larger size. That means larger area is covered, image formed is smaller but larger area is covered. So that's why we prefer this convex mirror. A student wants to get real and inverted image of the same object as object. Which type of mirror should be used, and draw a ray diagram for this. So the mirror which should be used should be concave and this is the ray diagram. Third, write an activity to find focal length of a concave mirror. So this is the activity. You can hold a concave mirror perpendicular to the distance tree and take a small paper and slowly move it in front of the mirror and find out the point where you get the smallest and the brightest spot. This is the image of the tree. The ray coming from the tree parallel to the concave mirror are converging at a point. This point is called the focus. So where the image is formed will be the determination of focal length of a concave mirror. So this is the activity. You have to note down and draw this diagram also. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel. Hope you like the video. Thank you.